The suspect, who was a student at the school, was arrested and will be charged now as an adult with murder. We want to bring in our good friend, Dr. Charryse Johnson, mental health counselor here in Charlotte, and we have had too many conversations about this, the day after school shooting, one of the worst in Georgia. There are neighbors. My in-laws live 20 minutes from this area and just went through periods of crying yesterday. You just grieve for the families and just the tragedy, Charryse.
Yeah, it is devastating. According to the Gun Violence Archive, Georgia schools since 2022 have had 97 gun-related incidents. So this is an unfortunate reminder that this is a problem that is still plaguing our country.
You know, that your kids, if you're a parent or a grandparent, a guardian, you send your kids to school and you expect it, not only to learn, but that to be the next safest place next to your home, right? And so it's hard to let them go, and you trust our workers in education and security. They're working to keep everything safe. You can't control 100% of everything. Correct. So how do you try to control what you can't control?
Well, you realize that you can't control everything, and you make sure that your family has a plan. It's not something that I feel like we've ever had to think about as a parent. How do I help my child understand the importance of being safe? What do they do if there is an emergency? I know that there was some information out there about kids then texting parents and saying, there's a shooting, if something happens, I love you. So it's a conversation that we absolutely are going to have.
One of the friends of the students killed said this, and this gets me. It says, I'm trying to process things. I'm trying to cope by hanging out with my friends and just ignoring the situation in general, but it's still affecting me like it's inside. It's just a lot to manage and a lot to deal with.
Oh, that is heartbreaking. It also lets you know that children that age really don't have adequate coping skills. It's up to us to help them. Their thought process is, can they compartmentalize? And while it's helpful for them to be with friends and not be thinking about it all the time, it is important to make sure that we have things in place. And even let me say this, if there are parents and family members who have been past victims of school shootings, check on your children, because this stirs it back up for anyone that's been involved.
How do you talk through trauma? Whether it's domestic violence. What do you say to someone and empathize and try to reassure them that you can go back, maybe it's not tomorrow, but you can go back next week and walk the halls and not be panicked and have these anxiety attacks?
So the hard challenge is you really can't reassure them. Because that is the dynamic that is completely out of control. So you can't say this will never happen again, because they're going to say, but it did. What you can do is, how are you feeling? What can I do to help you feel safe today? Would you like to come, would you like me to come with you? Do you want me to check in and maybe meet you for lunch a few times? So really you just help them get used to, let's keep trying and let's do everything that we can to support each other. But that's the hard truth, is we can't tell them it can't ever happen.
Some of these students are creating GoFundMe accounts just to raise money for funerals for 14-year-olds. It breaks your heart. You're having to watch these scenes of parents. You're going up to campus hoping your kid is one of the, the kids that survived, and it's just awful, and it's going to take days and weeks to work through this. What is sort of the long-term impact? Because not all kids are resilient, right? What's the long-term impact of exposure to something traumatic?
Significant. So you're going to see some anxiety, you're going to see some PTSD, you're going to see children that will be more susceptible to being afraid of being in large situations or hearing large sounds, even when it comes to hearing fireworks and anything that makes them feel unsafe. It has taken away their ability to feel safe and really ripped away a part of their childhood.
These were not just 4 victims. You've got 2 14-year-olds, Mason Sherman Horn and Christian Angulo. Those are the names we want people to remember. You've got the math teacher and football coach, who, by the way, was the father of 2 young daughters, Richard Aspinwall, and then another math teacher, Christina Ermy. They will continue, their lives will be, they'll be honored, and we'll be seeing that over the next couple days and weeks. And this is just something that you sit down with your kids, and we as a news station, we don't want to continue to show images that would cause fear, but we want to do these kind of conversations to, like you said, promote a plan and to try to encourage safe talking and to find healthy ways, and don't try to just sweep it under the rug.
Absolutely.